Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the GMZ keyway clamping adapter. They're just these little two tiny little pieces just like this that have a nice little keyway groove on them. Now, especially if you're using a machine that has two-way jaws, or if you struggle cutting keys like this, the reason why is you would typically just clamp down the key right here on this bottom groove here. But as you can see, there's not a lot of material if there's some deep cuts in here for the clamp to actually clamp down on, which makes it when you're cutting the key, it's going to fling up or it's going to go flying. You're going to miscut the key. The next option guys are going to want to try is they'll put them in their jaw here, and they're going to want to clamp down past this groove up here on this spot right here. The problem is when you put it in your machine and you get it straight just like that, and you start to clamp it down due to the grooves on the back side, it's going to put it at an angle just like that, which is going to make you miscut it. So what you're going to want to do is you take these little adapters here, and as you can see, they have a nice little groove on them that matches the B106 keyway, which is the same keyway used on the B111 transponder Circle Plus key. Alright, so what you want to do here is just take this adapter and you're going to put it on the groove onto the back side of the key. As you can see, it sits in there really nice. You can move, it'll slide around right there on that groove, no problem. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and stick it into the machine here, into the jaw, just like that. Do the other side. So we're going to take this key on the back side, we're going to take this adapter, I'm going to put it right there in the groove. I'll go ahead and get it put in here. Just like that. Now we're ready to cut the key. Go back down, make sure we got it all. Just like that. So what we'll do here is we'll take this out, put the tip stop back in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this groove off here and I'm going to put it on the other side. Oop. Just like that. Get it put right back in there. Just like that. And we'll cut the other side. Go back down, make sure it works good. Just like that. Alright, and there you go. That's how you use these little GMZ keyway adapters. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.